Okay, ladies, here is what I am doing. I'm starting off, so I'll click this middle button right here for Reels, and let me go back to my profile. Hold on one sec. It's from here, here. Oh, sorry, down here. Okay, so if you notice, I just did this video, somewhat what I showed this morning, and I added in some text. For our breakfast club. And if you look, what I said was protein. It's what's for breakfast. You want to see changes in your energy, body composition, metabolism, satiety, blood sugar levels, basically experience results. Start the day with protein. Here's my call to action. Join our breakfast club Facebook group and benefit from accountability, recipe tips, drawing from fun community to feel your best this holiday season. No more putting off your health goals until the new year. Start today. DM me and let's get you started. And then I do some hashtags. All right. I tagged Kelsey on this one. So I want to make sure I get permission to tag you guys, or otherwise I won't. But now that's what I did. Now I went to this one and I found that reel. Now there's some other reels out there, so I'll just slide up.
You have to practice who you want to be.
Maybe find one that I like. Consistency is my superpower. Okay, so you can really find something, and then let's say on this bottom right, you wanted that, you would save that audio. See how it says save? You're ready to start posting. On the very bottom it says use audio, so you'll click on that, and then if I like that audio, I'm gonna go back to that. I'll click on the plus sign in the bottom left, click on that, and let's say I will, here's some dog pictures. Hear the song, and the upper right it says add, so I just added that. I'm going to go back down the bottom left and I'm going to add something else. Here was during our okay, so now next go back, so bottom left it says edit clips. Now I can shorten this picture to only go for 1.7 seconds, and I'll click on the other one and shorten, make it go a little bit longer. And if I hit done, okay, so something's not going there. And I can click on anything else and add to it. Okay, so let's go back to clicking on this. Here I am once again. Here I am once again. Okay, so I wanted to add in the upper right the AA, the letters, then I'll text in me new friends or whatever. I'll just put something new friend, click done. And you'll see me at the bottom. I'll click on that, and then I can basically change the duration of when I want it to show up. It's done at the top. Okay, so then I go to next, and then that's where it says edit cover in the picture. I can click on that, and I can, that bottom blue one, I can add a picture from anything. So I can maybe change the profile. So there's the cover of it. Click profile grid, and I can make that bigger. Then that's where I would, in the caption, this is where I'm writing what I want for the caption, making friends or something like that. And then I would click OK. And then honestly, that's when in the bottom right, you can hit that share. I'm going to click save draft, and then boop, it goes down to save draft. So let me know, and if you need me to help in any other way, but this is where I can find some reels to save. I can use the audio right now or go to save. Now, question is, where are those saved ones if I don't do it right away? So go back to the bottom right, my profile, and I'll click on upper right 3 hashtags where it says saved. Now you'll go, oh, here's the box that says audio. Here are all of my saved ones. And if I just click on it, it'll go back to it, and I can use audio on the bottom and then get started, okay, with adding my photos. I hope this is helpful. Let me know, and I will reach out to you, or you reach out to me and let me know.